Hey guys, are your calls failing right after the iOS 26 update? Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to fix it step by step. First thing you're going to want to do is check your cellular signal. Make sure you're in an open spot or somewhere with good reception. If the bars are low, turn on airplane mode, wait about 10 seconds, then turn it off again. If calls are still failing, especially during FaceTime or on third-party apps, the next thing you've got to try is turning off locked-on mode. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down to Privacy and Security, then scroll all the way to the bottom and switch off lockdown mode. After the iOS 26 update, some iPhones stay stuck on 5G auto even when the 5G signal is weak, which can lead to that call failed pop-up. To fix it, open Settings on your iPhone, go to Cellular or Mobile Service, tap Cellular Data Options. If you have inserted dual SIM, you need to select the SIM and then tap on Voice and Data. Afterward, change 5G Auto to LTE or try switching from 5G on to 5G Auto. Once you change that, toggle airplane mode on and off again, then make a test call. If that didn't work and you're using a physical SIM card, take it out and pop it back in. Just open the SIM card tray, remove the SIM, wait a few seconds, and slide it back in properly. Give it a moment and try making another call. You'll also want to check for carrier and software updates. Head to Settings, tap General, then About. If there's a carrier update, you'll see a prompt, just hit Update. Then go back to Software Update, and if there's a new iOS version waiting, tap Update Now and let it finish installing. If the problem's still there, it's time to reset your network settings. Keep in mind, this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords and other network details. Open Settings, tap on General, scroll to Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, then Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode, confirm, and let it restart. Go ahead and force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If none of that works, your last move is to contact your carrier. Ask them to check for network issues or to reissue your eSIM if needed. Hope this helps you get your calls working again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes and tips.